my composita. I can say that it is my compound words.
Okay.
Okay, because I just what we do here, we just pick two words and just
Mhm.
add them together. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now Bedeutung. What does this Bedeutung means?
To join.
No meaning.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So the meaning of this is simple combination of two words.
Yes.
Combination of two words. Now these words can be anything.
Okay.
Okay. For example, they can be any article or no, not article. That can be obviously noun. It will be noun only.
Yes.
Not anything. It will be noun only.
Okay.
That will make sense. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will be noun. Two nouns coming together. It's like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have second thing is that we add some one or two letter when we combine two words. Okay.
Okay.
We have this either S or N.
Okay.
Okay, and we do this in between the words that we are joining, which we combine, which are combined.
Okay.
Okay, for example, so Vaishpi, the Arbeit, what does this mean? The Arbeit,
Work.
yeah,
I
and yeah, work. And what is this site?
mm, count.
Time.
No time. Okay.
Yeah. Now, joining together, it will be work time.
Yeah.
So the article will be the are bytes. I have joined this extra s in between this.
Okay.
Okay, so we join either s or n depending.
And how we know that we have to join here S or N?
Basically, it mostly in the cases with that ends with t, we add s
Okay.
mostly. Okay, and uh,
Okay.
and there are some cases where we add n. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there are some cases that I will be going to write is we just omit some letter. Okay, some
Okay.
letter are replaced or basically omitted.
Okay.
Okay, for example, we have this the Sprache. What does this mean? Sprache,
Um.
the language. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So Sprache means language, and
Yeah.
course is my course.
Okay.
Combining these two, it will be der Sprachkurs, which is my language course.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have omitted e here. It is a Sprache,
Yeah.
but I have omitted e here. Okay.
Okay.
Now here this thing, the article of composita. This word that we are forming, combining two
Hmm.
words, is known as composita.
Okay.
Okay. The article of composita will be the article. mm, will be the article of the second word or the last word. Okay,
Okay.
what does the second or last word means? This one. Okay, the
Okay.
second word that we are combining, the composite
Hmm.
article will be the same. For example, here der Kurs. Okay,
Yeah.
so the article of this Sprachkurs is my der. Okay,
Okay.
and this d comes from this article, the site one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
basically we call the second word is as a base word.
Okay.
Um, Now some examples with you.
Okay.
Okay. First we have their Reagan. Reagan is rain,
Okay.
and then we have their mantle. Mantle is coat. Okay,
Okay.
coat that we wear.
Yeah. Okay.
Now it will be their Reagan mantle, basically raincoat.
Okay.
Okay? Now coming to second, I have um, their apfel, which is my
Hmm.
apple,
Okay. Yeah.
and I have their baum. Okay, it's B baum, which is tree.
Okay.
So it will be their apfel baum, apple tree.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Now
here we don't add the S or N, no?
what?
In these two compound words, we don't use S and N, no?
Yes, there are some cases that there where we don't use S or N. There are some cases where we use S. Okay, so it all
Okay.
depends. You will get to
Okay.
know these. Okay.
Okay.
Now then we have the zona, which is sun.
Okay.
Okay, plus the brilla. Brilla is my glasses.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be the. Now here I add an extra N. The zona
Okay.
brilla, sunglasses. Okay.
Yes.
Now for food we have the Strasse, which is
Hmm.
street.
Mm.
Okay, and we have the Lampe, the lamp.
Mm-hmm.
From
Okay.
combining these two, I have Strassen Lampe. Okay,
Okay.
street light.
Okay.
Okay, now fifth I have the Geburt, which is birth.
Okay.
And for it, I have their Tag, which is day.
Okay.
Now it will be their Geburtstag. Here I add here I use an extra S. Geburtstag,
Okay.
birthday.
Arthur. Okay.
Okay. Now again I have this Das Auto, which is car,
Yeah.
and I have this D Slushel, which is key.
Okay.
Okay, so it will be the Auto Slushel, which is car key.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can
Yes.
take the screenshot. You have taken this one
Yes.
and this one.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, take this one also.
Okay.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, coming to my exercise. This is course book. Yeah, here. Try this question. Okay.
Okay.
I will give you the word and you just form the this
Oh,
composite.
okay. Okay.
Okay, it's in structuring. Okay, so this is my Das Ice.
Hmm.
Basically, for ice cream, we use ice, and for the ice, as in this ice, we use
Yeah.
this ice only.
Okay.
Okay, so the word for ice and ice cream are same.
Okay.
And this is my tea, which is der tea,
Okay.
and this is your Salin, the numbers,
Okay.
and this is my lotto, basically the lottery ticket we have,
Okay.
so we call it das lotto.
Okay.
Now this is my das telephone,
Uh-huh.
and this is my das book.
Bush.
Yeah, and this is my orangan, basically in plural, so it
Okay.
is my orangan, and it is my juice, so it's their zap.
Okay.
So just form the composite of these words.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you move it up, please?
It will be,
The first is their iced tea.
yeah, it's there I stay, and
Okay.
it's
Das Zalen Lotto.
yeah, das Salen Lotto, and this one,
Telephone booth. Das telephone booth.
yeah,
Book.
book, das Telephone book. Here,
Their Orangen Salft.
yes, so it will be Orangensaft.
Okay.
Okay.